Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a nifty little product to review that could make your daily tasks just a bit easier, the Slimline Pen-Size Pocket Pointer. We found this product online and added the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Slimline Pocket Pointer? It's a set of two compact, pen-sized pointers designed for presentations, teaching, or just highlighting important information. These handy tools are lightweight, easy to handle, and can easily fit into your pocket or bag, making them perfect for on-the-go use. Now let's talk about some of its standout features. First off, the design is sleek and minimalistic, allowing for a professional appearance while still being incredibly functional. The pointers come with a clip, which means you can easily attach them to notebooks, folders, or even your shirt pocket. This prevents any accidental dropping or misplacement when you're in the middle of a task. The pointed tip is designed for precision, making it ideal for emphasizing details on a whiteboard, screen, or any document. One of the best aspects of the Slimline Pocket Pointer is its versatility. It's suitable for a range of users, from educators and trainers to business professionals and students. If you're a teacher, this tool can help you engage students during presentations or lectures by directing their attention to key points. For business professionals, it's perfect for guiding your audience through reports and slideshows, ensuring that everyone stays focused on your message. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine you're giving a presentation in front of a large audience. Instead of awkwardly pointing with your finger or struggling to navigate a remote clicker, you can use the Slimline Pocket Pointer to highlight specific sections on a PowerPoint slide or a whiteboard. It's also great for teachers in a classroom setting. You can point to charts or graphs, helping students visualize complex information. Additionally, if you're a student, this tool can be invaluable during study sessions or group projects. You can use it to point out important concepts in your notes or while collaborating with classmates, making group discussions more effective. In summary, the Slimline Pen-Size Pocket Pointer is a simple yet effective tool that enhances the way we present and communicate information. Its compact design, professional look, and practical applications make it an essential item for anyone who frequently engages in presentations or collaborative work. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.